Did you know this animal can swallow enough water to fill an entire room in just one gulp? Watch closely. That's a blue whale, the largest animal ever known to exist on Earth. As it rises to the surface, it opens its mouth so wide that thousands of gallons of water rush inside in seconds. But here's the incredible part. It's not trying to drink the water. The whale pushes the water back out, trapping huge amounts of tiny prey inside its mouth. And then, listen carefully. That deep, haunting sound you're hearing is one of the most powerful animal calls on the planet. Blue whale vocalizations can travel for hundreds of miles through the ocean. Imagine hearing that sound in the middle of the open sea. The ocean is far more mysterious than most people realize.